Today, we are launching our Sarawak Hydrogen Roadmap, which is a very important document that will guide the policy implementation as well as the right approach towards hydrogen economy. As you know, hydrogen economy is a very new approach to mitigate carbon emissions and also as our contribution to mitigate and also lessen the effects of climate change. And we in Sarawak is very fortunate that we have the resources and we are endowed with these resources for us to strengthen our position and contribute to world approach towards zero carbon by 2050. And Sarawak is playing its part, you know, introducing a lot of new technologies for us to implement the policies that is listed in our Sarawak Hydrogen Roadmap. Perhaps at this juncture, I think we are one of the first to have a clear roadmap towards hydrogen economy. And it's not easy because there are a lot of skeptics out there who are not really convinced on the issue of hydrogen. But I believe with the technology available, and I was informed that one global company have a plant in Poland that has reduced the cost of electrolyzer, meaning the production of hydrogen in terms of cost will be less, and definitely hydrogen will become the fuel of the future. And Sarawak is on the right track. And I shared the meeting we had in London with LSE, London School of Economics. And I believe that with this engagement, we are able to explore technology as well as sustainability in our effort to lower down the temperature worldwide.